Hey Tigers, welcome to this week's episode of KTIG9 News. I'm Landry.
And I'm Emmanuel. Let's begin our show with some school announcements.
Next week is spring break, so enjoy your week off from school. Take the time to relax and recharge.
Grades for the third week grade period are due today, so make sure you get your stuff done and end the grading period with good grades.
Please join our annual Powder Puff event on March 20th. If you are interested, please scan the QR code on the TV screens around the school hallways or during our announcement segments later on the show.
On Saturday, March 22, Golden Girls and Goldies will be hosting their annual bingo night. This year's theme is in the 60s. Tickets are $20 for 10 games, and you could win $250. Doors are open at 5 p.m. and games start at 6 p.m. Don't forget to dress in your best 60s attire.
Speaking of Golden Girls, audition packets are now available online. Just search CHS Golden Girls or find the link on our Instagram pages. This is a mandatory audition meeting Wednesday, March 19th at 6:30 p.m. in the cafeteria. You and your parents or guardian must be present at the meeting in order to audition.
Moving on to sports, the Lady Tiger track and field team compete in our Tiger relay last Friday at CHS. The team got bronze in the 400 meter, the 300 meter hurdles, and the long jump. The team got the silver in the 4x1 rally. Shot put and high jump, the team earned the gold were the 4x2 rally and the 400 meter, the 4x4 long jump, and triple jump.
The highlight of the meet is that the ladies got first place overall. They will be competing again at Donaldson Relays in Aldine today. Outstanding work, ladies.
The boys soccer team will be playing tonight at home against Caney Creek, while the girls team will be playing at Caney Creek tonight. Let's go Tigers.
The Tiger baseball team is playing in a tournament today and this weekend. The softball team plays Oak Ridge tonight at home. Junior varsity plays at 4:30 and varsity plays at 6:15. Good luck, Tigers.
Up next, we learn how to make Shamrock Shake in a new freshman flavors.
Then we celebrate the day, so stay tuned.
Welcome to Freshman Flavors. Today, we'll be making the copycat of the McDonald's Shamrock Shake.
St. Patrick's Day is the Monday after spring break. The holiday would not be complete without a delicious, refreshing Shamrock Shake from McDonald's.
But what do you do if it's not the right time of the year or you don't want to spend the time and money going to McDonald's? The answer is to make this copycat version. It's simple, affordable, and tastes just like the real thing.
To start, gather your ingredients and equipment. You will need 4 cups vanilla ice cream, half a cup of half and half a teaspoon of mint extract, 4 drops green food coloring, whipped cream for topping, and then green sprinkles for the topping. You will also need a blender, an ice cream scooper, measuring cups, and cups for serving.
Once you have all your materials together, you're ready to start. This is an easy recipe as all the ingredients are added at the same time to your blender and then blended together. Add your ice cream. Then add the half and half cream. Mint extract. And a few drops of food coloring.
Once everything is in the blender, blend it well. If your milkshake is too thin, you can add a little more ice cream, or if it is too thick, you can add a little more half and half cream. All right, wait. Do you think that's too thick? Or is that good? Do you want more food coloring?
No, I think it's too thick. Just a little.
And then you want more food coloring?
Yeah.
All right.
When ready, pour into a glass and top with whipped cream.
How much do you think in each?
So like right about there.
Okay.
Yeah, a little more. Whew.
All right, you do.
Garnish your milkshake with green sprinkles.
Now the only thing left to do is put in a straw and enjoy.
Yo.
That's pretty good. Happy St. Patrick's Day.
It's time to celebrate the day. Today is National Cereal Day. They say that breakfast is the most important meal of the day, and cereal is a good-to-go breakfast food.
Whether you pour cereal in milk, milk in cereal, or just eat it dry, today is the perfect day to enjoy any kind of cereal. It's magically delicious.
Heart stars and horseshoes, clovers and blue moons, pots of golden rainbows, and me red balloons. That's me Lucky Charms.
Delightfully delicious!
Marshmallowy Lucky Charms, a tasty part of this good breakfast.
Here's our current weather forecast for the next 7 days. Today, expect cloudy skies with a high of 75 and a low of 65. This weekend, expect storms and clouds with highs in the lower 70s and lows in the upper 40s. Spring break should be cloudy and sunny. Enjoy your holiday.
That's it for this week's episode of KTIG9 News. I'm Landry.
And I'm Emmanuel.
Sick 'em, Tigers.